Stop cooking onions the old way. Trust me, once you try this air fryer trick, you will never go back. Today I'm showing you the crispiest, most flavourful baked onions you have ever tasted, topped with golden Gouda breadcrumbs and served with a creamy avocado sauce that will blow your mind. Step 1. Alright, let's get started. First, prep your onions. Cut off both ends of each onion. Peel them, then slice them crosswise. Small onions cut in half. Medium or large onions cut into rounds about 3/4 inch thick. Give them a quick rinse and let them drain. Now arrange the onion pieces in your air fryer basket. Give them a nice even spray of olive oil all over the top. Then season generously with salt and black pepper. Don't be shy with the seasoning. This is where all that flavour starts. Pop them into the air fryer at 320 degrees Fahrenheit, that's 160 Celsius, for 25 minutes. This first round of cooking is where the magic happens. The onions slowly caramelise from the inside out, getting incredibly sweet and tender. Your kitchen is going to smell absolutely amazing right now. Step 2. While the onions are cooking, let's mix up that incredible topping. In a bowl, combine your breadcrumbs, freshly grated Gouda. I'm not gonna lie, this combination is just unreal. Chopped parsley and a drizzle of olive oil. Mix it all together until the mixture is slightly damp and crumbly. Check this out. After 25 minutes, your onions are already looking gorgeous. Now, here comes the best part. Spoon that cheesy breadcrumb mixture generously over the top of each onion piece. Press it down lightly so it sticks. Look at that, already incredible. Now, put them back in the air fryer. This time, crank up the heat to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, that's 180 Celsius, and cook for another 6 minutes. This second round is all about that golden, crunchy crust. You want it deep golden, not just lightly coloured. That's where the real wow factor is. Step 3. While the onions finish crisping up, let's make our avocado sauce. Peel and pit your avocado, cut it into small pieces and mash it up with a fork in a bowl. Add a pinch of salt and black pepper. Then stir in 1 tablespoon of Greek yogurt for that beautiful silky texture, and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. That little bit of tang balances the richness of the avocado and makes the sauce taste even brighter. Now add your finely chopped red bell pepper. It gives this sauce a beautiful pop of colour and a tiny bit of crunch. Toss in your 2 minced garlic cloves and chopped parsley. Mix everything together until smooth and creamy. Give it a taste and adjust the seasoning. Right, so good already. Okay, the timer just went off and oh my goodness, look at these onions. The breadcrumb crust is perfectly golden and crispy. The Gouda is slightly melted and bubbling. The onions underneath are soft, sweet and caramelized. This is everything. I kid you not, this is next level. Now, have you ever tried baked onions before? Drop your answer in the comments. I'm always curious. These crispy air fryer onions are seriously incredible. Sweet and tender inside, golden and crunchy outside, with that creamy avocado sauce pulling everything together. Perfect as an appetizer, a side dish, or honestly, just a snack you'll eat straight off the tray. Seriously, try this today. And if you do, tag me or share it with a friend who needs this in their life. Alright, if you loved this recipe, hit that like button, drop a comment with your favourite onion recipe, and subscribe to Emma Tips so you never miss a trick. Hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you catch it the second it drops. See you then!